Hello everyone, Bridget here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple prawn pulao. So let's get started. I'll show you all the ingredients that are required. We need just a few ingredients, that is chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, green coriander leaves, green chilies, and ginger garlic paste. We need whole spices, that's cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, and the flour. And then you need some turmeric powder, chili powder, and garam masala powder. So you need to get just a half of kilo of prawns would be sufficient for 2 glasses of rice. So heat like 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and saute the onions till light brown. Then you add in your powders: chili powder, turmeric, a little garam masala, and your ginger and garlic paste. Okay, so you fry this for some time till the raw smell goes. Now you can add your tomato, chop half of the chopped tomatoes that you have, and a little coriander leaves. Because we are just making the prawns and keeping it aside, we will add the prawns later into the rice. Okay, so just keep frying till the oil comes up, and this stage you can add your prawns. Okay, so mix well, cook on low heat for just 5 minutes. Cook on low heat till the prawns change color, become firm, and then you could just add little salt. Mix once again, and now your prawns are ready. You could just switch off the gas and keep it aside. So now we'll have to start with our cooking of the rice. You can see that the prawns are very beautiful. So what you do is heat like half a kilo of oil and ghee. Add the whole spices, then you add the onions and green chilies. Fry well, then add the tomatoes and the coriander leaves. Again fry well. Add your ginger and garlic. Again fry well. And the remaining powders that you have, that's turmeric, garam masala, coriander, and your chili powder. Now you could increase the pungency of this as you like. You could add more green chilies if you want, or you could add more red chili powder, but it all depends on you. Add now for 2 cups of rice, I added 3 cups of water and bring it to boil. Mix in your salt. Bring it to boil, let it bubble well. And once it's bubbling, then you add in your 2 cups of raw rice or basmati rice that you have washed and drained. Okay, so now what you do is mix well and cook on high heat. Cook on high heat till you see the rice coming up. Okay, and most of the water would have been absorbed by this stage. And once it comes to this stage, you lower the heat and cook on sim. Okay, and you mix in your prawns that was already cooked. Mix in the prawns. Okay, just mix it in lightly. You have to be very gentle. Okay, you can see that the water is being absorbed. Now you could just, cover and let it cook. Maybe like for 5 minutes more till the water is absorbed. So meanwhile, what you do, you could boil some 6 eggs if you like, hard-boiled eggs, and then you just add it into that same pan which had where you made your prawns. Now you can see that your prawn pulao is ready. You can serve it with some salad, and you could mix in your boiled eggs as well. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share it if you like it, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please tell your friends as well. And thank you. God bless.